Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMate Video, and today we're going to see how to apply a shadow effect for your picture or image you inserted inside the Excel sheet on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to apply a shadow effect to the picture in your Microsoft Excel mobile, just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just going to insert a picture from my gallery. So going inside the insert option, clicking on the picture and photo. After click on the done option, and I'm just going to resize it. You can see the picture. So if you are just clicking on the picture, you will see this option, picture option on the bottom. And here you will see this option called picture effect. Click on this. And here you will see this option called shadow. Click on this. So here you will see a no shadow, or outer shadow, or inner shadow, or perspective shadow. So you just click any one of this. So you can see the shadow is on the bottom section. This is more realistic than any other thing. For an example, this will look slightly shady, but in perspective it's look better. So you can just adjust the shadow. So you can see the shadow is following. You can make it as bigger, so you can see the shadow effect. So this is how you just add a shadow effect for your image or picture on your Microsoft Excel on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Video Net. Have a wonderful day.